Okay, it's time to create a clasp for this bracelet. We should wrap it around your palm like this. These two threads should meet together because we will create a clasp on them. Take a piece of thread about 2 feet long, fold it half and put it under these two threads. Make sure to fix it with your thumb. We will start from the right side. Put it over, then take the left part of the thread and put it under and go through the slope. Okay, secure the first knot. Look, we've created the first knot and we see this on the left. That means that we should continue from the left side this time. So start from the left, put it over, take the right piece of the thread and go under, right here. Okay. And pay attention. Now you see this is on the right. That means that you should continue on the right. So the right part of the thread is over it. Then the left one and go under. Put the thread through this and secure. Okay, look at this. We should continue on the left. And the knot is looking prettier. So start on the left, then take the right thread, go under diagonally and make this movement. Secure it. Now look at it. You should continue from the right. Okay. Oops. Now we're supposed to continue on the left. Okay, on the right. And on the left. Start from the left, put it over and go down. This is called a square macrame knot. This is one of the basic macrame knots. If you know it, you will be able to create macrame handmade stuff. Okay. I think it's not enough. We should continue. I think we should make 2 more, maybe 4 more knots before I show you how to finish it. Sorry. So look at this, it's on the left, so we should continue on the left and probably make 2 more knots. Okay, we are actually almost ready, but we should secure this. And in my next tutorial I will show you how to do it, because we will be using super glue and a lighter.